Have you ever looked at your bank account on Sunday night and wondered where the money went? Trust me, Mama, you're not alone in this weekend spending struggle. Today, we're diving into practical tips to help your family manage weekend spending and keep your budget on track. These simple strategies can bring you peace of mind and strengthen family bonds. Remember, you can do this and your family will thank you. First, plan your weekend activities together as a family. This not only saves money, but also creates lasting memories as everyone gets involved in the decision making. Next, set a small weekly budget for snacks and treats. Instead of fast food, try making fun meals at home like homemade pizzas, which can be a family event. Lastly, limit your shopping trips to once a month. By focusing on needs rather than wants, you can reduce impulsive buys that sneak up on you. You're doing an amazing job managing your family's finances, Mama. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and visit cozycornerdaily.com for even more resources.